Hello everybody, Namaskar, Namaste. I'm on my way to AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 427 at Presidency School, Kasturi Nagar. This will be my fifth session in Bangalore among the Presidency group of schools. I'm eagerly looking forward to meet all my dear soldiers there. I must appreciate the socially responsible management of the Presidency group of institution. I must appreciate the socially responsible Director of Academics, Dr. Angelo Michael de Cruz, for supporting this mission, for taking initiative so that this awareness reaches their students in their schools. So without any ado, let's proceed to Presidency School, Kasturi Nagar for AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 427 and the fifth session among the Presidency group of schools in Bangalore. Nandini layout and all of them, they have taken original. Yes. Even the school I went party for that's also beautiful. Yeah.
Bobby Chakravarti, the change maker of the society.
With you, you are free to take two options. I'm going to share my life and my belief with you. You are free to take two options within the session. First option is दादा की बात नहीं सुनेंगे. You can take the first option कि दादा की बात नहीं सुनेंगे, बकवास कर रहा है, एक कान से घुसा के एक कान से निकाल देंगे. You can take that option because I can't force my belief on you, can I? नहीं था जिंदगी में execute करे तो सही. You know, this particular session, as I said, is not a lecture, but it's more of an adda. Adda Kasturi Nagar in your beautiful school. This is adda number 427. How much? 427, and the fifth session or the fifth adda among the presidency group of schools. मम्मी पापा तुम्हारे लिए काम करता है, तुम्हारा भलाई चाहता है, पैसे दिमाग में रख के. मम्मी पापा तुम्हारा भलाई चाहता है, पैसे दिमाग में रख के तुमसे पैसा मांगता है, हाँ या ना बोल, नहीं मांगता है. तो there is another person who has come, तुम्हारा भलाई चाहता है, without money in mind. So हमने that you are the things that you believe in program, वही तो तुम propagate करोगे ना, वही तो तुम spread करोगे ना. जब तुम्हारे हाथ में power आएगा, the society will be shaped in exactly that way. If गधेपन believe करके educated गधा होके बड़ा will invariably share those. कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Similarly, there is another section of the society, the dark section of the society, अशुभ शक्ति जिसको हम बोलते हैं, dark forces. उन लोगों को भी पता है कि प्रकृति, साधना, जय, these are the important members of the society. इसको हम रोशनी की तरफ जाने नहीं देंगे. इसको खींच के वहाँ पे एक black hole है. We are going to push and pull these people there. बंद नहीं करेगा. The first reason he'll be telling me, ये जो पेपर देखिए, वो पॉकेट से पेपर निकाल के दिखाएगा उनको. क्या है पेपर? That paper is a trade license. Permission given by the government for him to carry out that business. अपराधी नहीं है. वो ट्रेड लाइसेंस मार के टैक्स दे के वो बिजनेस कर रहा है. So I can't. Daita. Can you stand up Daita once? Because your voice was the loudest. So he, the Malik या Malkin जो भी है, they are not forsaken. Can we give a big hand to that? हम लोग का उंगली जाता है, वो खराब लड़का, वो खराब लड़की, उसने मुझे सिखाया, उसने मुझे थमाया, हमको कुछ पता नहीं था, हम ही भालो, हम अच्छा है, हमको कुछ पता नहीं, हमारा दोष ना, हमारा दोष नहीं, उसका दोष. तो उंगली जाता है ड्रग पेडलर की तरफ, उंगली जाता है सिगरेट की दुकान की तरफ, दारू की दुकान की तरफ. हर so tell me something. Tell me something. Like tell me something. ये जो बुद्धि और विद्या, इंटेलिजेंस एंड एजुकेशन का इस्तेमाल करना, if I am asking you to use or execute intelligence and education, am I asking you to do rocket science? People for the views and followers and subscriptions going to any extent, sacrificing their self-respect, shame and everything. Why do I wear clothes? Why are you wearing clothes? Because हम लोग इंसान है ना, रास्ते का कुत्ता पहनता है, कोई कपड़ा नहीं पहनता है. Can an insan live with only those two instincts? तो हम लोग क्या इंसान? Then you spread it to the next person. Spread it to your younger boy, younger brother, sister, whoever. उसको ये exactly the way I'm telling. उसको ये moral depth उसमें आना चाहिए उसके character में, that what makes a person human being and what makes a person animal. No, but the dark forces will make sure that you don't look after this best gift, that you don't understand that this is the best gift. And if you corrupt this best gift, जो उपहार जो body जो बोल रहा है, if you corrupt this gets corrupted. It starts with H, and the word is H for. जोर से H for. Physical health का गया तेरा. We'll talk about mental and physical both the things, okay? So if this goes for a toss, this will also go for a toss. जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाओ. And if this goes for a toss, I want you all to shout out this the loudest. F for family. That goes for a toss. F for family. And you have no right, sadhana, इसको खत्म करने का. You have no rights इसको खत्म करने का. इसमें वो दो जन है, अब वो मम्मी पापा, माँ बाबा, mom dad. Dark forces in the society उनको brain wash करके रखा है. इसको drugs मत मानो. But the World Health Organization who tells that cigarette and alcohol is the most fatal drug. तुम drugs क्या मानते हो? Heroin, LSD, meth, ganja, these are all drugs. लेकिन तुम cigarette, alcohol को drugs मानते हो? नहीं मानते हो. तुमको मानने नहीं देगा, क्योंकि ये इसको family में घुसाना है. Toppers, वही toppers अगर जाके IIT में जाके alcohol and cigarette and drugs लेके suicide कर ले तो क्या फायदा? IIT में जाके क्या फायदा? Super intelligent people वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा druggies हैं. नशेड़ी गंजेड़ी वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा है. You understand the foolishness? There are two words. One word is masculinity, which is a very strong and positive word, and the other word is feminism, which is a very strong and positive word. Now, strong, आहिस्ता बोल रहा है so that we can register. It's to make your gender, whether it's a female gender or the male gender, to make your gender so strong so that you are not dependent on anybody. तभी तो equality आएगा ना. तुम अगर किसी पे डिपेंडेंट हो गया प्रकृति साधना इक्वालिटी आएगा. तुम अगर किसी पे डिपेंडेंट हो गया विल यू बी लेसर और मोर? लेसर. मैंने क्यों मेरा वो वाइब्रेनियम क्रिप्टोनियम. व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज यू आर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे mere mortal इंसान made up of blood cells, muscles, tissues. और गुड नेचर कुछ नहीं तुमको बचाएगा. ये सीखने नहीं दे रहा है वो लोग. तुमको वही राइड में लेके जा रहा है कि तू बच जाएगा. अरे एंजॉय कर, काय का एंजॉय यार. ये खत्म हो गया तो काय का एंजॉय. दिस इज यू आर गिविंग मी राइट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट एंड द वे यू आर इंटरैक्टिंग विद मी. इशारों से ही सही, बट आई एम लाइकिंग दैट. कैन यू गिव अ बिग हैंड टू मोहित प्लीज. मोहित, राइट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट आई एम वाचिंग यू. यू आर इंटरैक्टिंग विद मी इन अ वेरी नाइस वे. आई एम लाइकिंग इट. ओके, सो सिर्फ मोहित सुनने का ही नहीं बाबा, इसको स्प्रेड करने का का दायित्व बनता है. हो सकता है तुम एक साथ में मोहित 500 जन को you won't be able to inspire. You can take the responsibility of one person in your household, your younger brother, your younger sister, or your friend, whoever, and try to bring that person out of the darkness. हमको क्या? That is another side. One side is I indulge and I don't care. There's another side I don't indulge, but हमको क्या? Both ways it's wrong. Did I explain myself? Both ways it's wrong. You are a part of the society. हम तो नहीं खाते, हम तो नहीं पीते, हम तो घर में बैठे नहीं हैं. हम आ गए यहाँ पर. With some sense, with some facts in you, you will definitely say no. I need to be cool. I need to be fashionable. I need to be friendly, but not with chemicals inside my body. Never. And those who are coaxing you to put chemicals, they cannot be your friends. Those little ones I can make them so strong so that they don't let the monster in. Nevertheless, we will all try to take the monsters out. It's on you. The onus is on you. If you want to pull that monster out, like Venom, you can do it. Tar is black. Tar is heavy. Tar is sticky. So ethyl alcohol, ethanol, daru creates a mess with your liver, full stop. के साथ सोशलाइज करना तो जा बैठ के पियो. हम कभी नहीं किया, हम कभी सरेंडर नहीं किया, हम कभी बहाने से सरेंडर नहीं किया. जीवन में कुछ भी हो जाए, दिस इज माय प्रायोरिटी. ये ठीक रहेगा तो बहुत तरक्की करेगा मैं लाइफ में. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बन गया और डिफॉल्ट बाय डिफॉल्ट लाइफ विल बिकम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. फोर्सिबली इसको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मत करो. एंड वंस दिस गोज फॉर अ टॉस, life will become complicated. You are gone also. उसमें 12 जन्म है, हो सकता है उस 12 जन्म में बहुत जन पिया नहीं है. ऐसा ही हो सकता है बहुत जन पिया नहीं है. लेकिन just because they were in that bad company, सबका केस हो गया. सब automatically इसका आ जाएगा सब कुछ. Only this word automatically will put you into a very nice circle. तुमको 100 fake friends नहीं चाहिए आसपास. Let me tell you, this is Adda number
427.
It's not a small number, okay? So, the first soldier of Adda number 427. And when this photograph is going to come in the newspaper, in the channels, with your name, with Jay's name, with your school's name, I think you, your teachers, your parents, everybody is going to be very, very proud. So, can we give a big hand to the first soldier of Adda number 427? Right. Okay. Joining hands with Daita, she's just a symbol. She's just a symbol. By joining hands with Daita, I would like to believe I've joined hands with Prakrit, I've joined hands with Anushka, I've joined hands with Sadhana, I've joined hands with Gopal, I've joined hands with Amesh, I've joined hands with Mohit. I would like to believe I've joined hands with all of you all. Today is a very important designation, Baba. It's a very important designation, a designation of a lot of respect. So this moment is going to stay all your life, all my life. Everywhere. Do not disrespect this moment. Do you promise to?
Yes,
Not
Dada.
Okay. Because I've seen many boys, many girls disrespecting this moment. Hit my fingers.
Fight against harmful popular trends.
I can't hear voices from behind. So there's a once more.
Fight against harmful popular trends.
What is this word?
Trends.
Let's come to that word, trends. Human trait, because we evolved from animals, so Prakriti is very difficult to take out the trend out of a human being. That tendency will always be there. Infamous. What are the two words?
Famous and infamous.
Famous ka jo, when you are being viewed, you are popular, you are being recognized because you have a talent inside you. Gun, hunar, talent. And talent doesn't mean shedding your clothes in front of the camera. मेरे अकाउंट से हटा दिया, बिन से हटा दिया, हिस्ट्री से हटा दिया, ये अरे भाई, it has gone to the darkest part of the dark web. It will never be erased. It will haunt you all. And that boy went for a suicide. Want to earn money, Prakrit, when you want to earn money, by not working hard, but only by chance. By only chance. Money, by not. Sub, we are working as an army. By not. But only by chance. जैसे लॉटरी का टिकट 5 रुपए का खरीदा, चांस में अगर मेरे को 50,000 मिल जाए. Online gaming platform and every सट्टेबाजी and betting platforms, which by the way हम लोग का सबसे बड़ा क्रिकेटर से शुरू होके सबसे बड़ा एक्टर एंड एक्ट्रेस से लेके all these socially irresponsible people act करता है. High on speed, high on intellect, nice game. You won't play that game because that person is caught in this word. This person is caught in this word. दूसरा जो खेलेगा हम वही खेलेंगे. ये कौन सा गेम है? My life is so cheap. मैं फैमिली के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगा. एक वीडियो गेम के लिए I'll lose my life. I'll put my life in insecurity. I'll make my life so complicated for a video game. but you won't listen to me. You will listen to that dark forces because the monster of this particular online gaming and gambling is so strong.
आपको डिस्क्लेमर देते हैं जब रोहित शर्मा आता है कि ड्रीम लेकर के बारे में बताता है कि उसके बाद उसके स्पीच के बाद बोलता है कि आपके जो कि संगम है, तो उसके बाद आपका क्या कमेंट है?
मेरा कमेंट गुड. अच्छा, तन्मय के लिए एक तालियां हो जाए फॉर दिस वेरी पर्टिनेंट पॉइंट. मोहित, तेरा स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म, जय तेरा स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म लिंक करता है टू ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट, पेरेंट, टीचर, प्रिंसिपल, एडमिन, एवरीबॉडी. इट्स लिंक्ड. तो तुम्हारा एक छपड़ी वाला हरकत, is linked with everybody in the school. तुम्हारा एक छपड़ी वाला हरकत will point fingers to everybody. Oh, अच्छा, वो स्कूल में उसका प्रिंसिपल ऐसा है, ऐसा टीचर्स लोग ऐसा है. Education tells me that. Do you agree with me or you disagree with me? Agree तो बोलते हो. अभी जितने जिंदगी में जब तुमको इंडिपेंडेंस एंड मनी मिलेगा, ये दो वेपन्स मिलेगा तुमको, बहुत खतरनाक वेपन्स. क्या वेपन्स बोला? एक इज स्वतंत्रता, इंडिपेंडेंस एंड मनी. अच्छा, आर्ट्स का स्टूडेंट भी है, एटलीस्ट वो लिवर एंड किडनी एंड हार्ट एंड लंग्स ये तो पढ़े हो 7-8 तक, तो उसको इस्तेमाल करो. उसका जो पेजेस है उलट के देखो, 5-6 फंक्शंस है. सिर्फ फंक्शंस देखने का नहीं, वो फंक्शंस को एनालाइज करो. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो केमिकल्स घुस के मेरा लिवर और लंग्स का ऐसे ही बर्बाद कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ये खाना प्रिजर्वेटिव्स एंड केमिकल्स भर के. अभी देखो, किसी में यू विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग ऑर्गेनिक. जो ऑर्गेनिक बोल के बेच रहा है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा केमिकल्स है. However basic and simple it is, or as you grow up, only if you take the second option, you will feel I am coming in your dreams and your thoughts and your moments, every moment. I want to be in that way because as I started, I am a family. Let me tell you one thing. जब तक parents हैं ना, love them like anything. जब तक है ना, don't be rude to them. Love them like mad, you know, because once they go, everything goes. Class 7 में कोई आके, and this is a very cliche dialogue that you have already heard, surrender to it or you will hear. What is that dialogue? एक फूंक मारना कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. एक फूंक मारना कुछ नहीं. बॉबी क्या बोल के, एक फूंक मारने से थोड़ी तुम मर जाएगा. एक फूंक मार. वो in your mind, when you give priority to HCF, a magic happens. What is that magic? That magic is in the form of a mantra written here. This is a mantra of a soldier. I call it a mantra of a soldier. So read my fingers.
I am the king of my mind.
समझने का थोड़ा बहुत आ गया. ये जो एनिमलिस्टिक टेंडेंसी हम तुमको समझा रहा है, मे बी कुछ तुम्हारे अंदर जाग रहा है. नहीं, I can't live like an animal all my life. मेरा और कुछ करना है जिंदगी में, और बहुत कुछ. ये देखना केजी क्लास को कैसे समझाओगे तुम? तो एक केजी क्लास का बच्चा, 1 का बच्चा, 2 का बच्चा एनिमल बनता जा रहा है एक तो वही उम्र से. तो सोसाइटी का क्या हालत है भाई? I tell my mind, you don't control me dear, I'm going to control you because I am the king of my mind. अरे चाकू, I am the
King of my mind.
If you want to live with your proper lungs intact, you can join my hands. If you want to live with your proper liver intact, you can join my hands. If you want to take the second option in life, दादा की बात सुने तो सही है, जिंदगी में इस्तेमाल करे तो सही, you can join my hands. Not all. Now, why is it a useful trend? What does this mean? कि दादा हम आपका हाथ पकड़ेंगे. Is it? ए हाथ बढ़ाया चल पकड़ो. No. We'll hear it from ma'am. What does this mean for her? That catching hold of the hand. What does this mean for her?
So I'm a physics teacher and I'm so aware of pseudo forces. This means that you liberate yourself from the pseudo forces.
And what does it mean catching hold of my hand?
I am with you. Entire presidency family is with you.
So what happens is vice principal ma'am becomes the trend setter of Adda number 427. So can we give a big hand? Ask yourself the question if you are already inside the army of the donkeys and take answers from out. Or ask that person who is in the darkness, who is in the army of the donkeys, and take the answers from out of that person through that question, through these three questions. People, do you want to grow up as a donkey? No. So in India, do you want to grow up as a donkey? No. Because the reason is you are my soldiers. You are my soldiers. George Savaro, you are my soldiers. And we believe in a formula, a very simple formula of HCF, where H is C is apple. Yes, and we believe in a mantra of a soldier, which is I am the king of my mind. I am the king of my mind. Second one, you can do better. 1, 2, 3, go. I am the king of my mind. And last one, I am the king of my mind. Thank you so much. सबके लिए तालियां हो जाए.
So, ASC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 427 at Presidency School, Kasturi Nagar comes to an end, and what a session it was. There was a lot of emotion and a lot of heartfelt emotions that I felt throughout the session. Thank you, dear soldiers, for your love, for your heart connect, for your affection. Thanks to all the teachers, Vice Principal Ma'am, and everybody who took good care of me, who made sure that this session goes perfectly well. And I'm really missing all of y'all. Y'all are sweethearts, let me tell you that. And till the next time we meet, I hope and I'm sure you'll take the second option कि दादा की बात सुन तो लिया लेकिन इसको इस्तेमाल करना है लाइफ में, एग्जीक्यूट करना है लाइफ में. And till the next time we meet, keep on loving me as the way you have started to love me from today. Till the next time we meet, be the king of your mind. I am the king of my mind. Until the next time we meet, love you.